Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I wanted to show you something that I just recently purchased, and this is a bread cloche from Emile. It is a French brand and I wanted to show you what this is. I've got a video on my channel, if you've not checked it out, how to make the artisan bread in a Dutch oven. This replaces that Dutch oven. So I make a lot of breads and I thought I'm just going to give this a try to see how this works. So I'm going to take this out of this box. So it's got a nice cookbook, so maybe it might have some good recipes in it. We'll see what that looks like compared to what the recipes that I use for my breads that I've got. And here's our domed lid that we've got for it. And the base that goes with it. So this is what replaces the Dutch oven. So what you do with your bread, once you've got your bread rising and everything, you can actually put it in here for your second rise if it has a second rise, and go ahead and put that in here. And then put the dome on it and it can rise in here, and then this bakes in here in the oven. So I've got an Italian olive loaf artisan bread that I make, and I'm going to make that recipe and I'm going to try it in this to see how this works, and we'll give it a test later. But I just got this and I wanted to show you what this is, and it's going to replace my Dutch oven that I've been using for making my artisan bread. So I hope you like this content, and if you do, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up and check out one of these other two videos over here. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's see what this new bread cloche does from Emile, and we'll see how it compares to a Dutch oven. Stick with me in the future. We'll make some bread. Bye-bye now.